Hello, with our Peekaboo Kindergarten series meant for levels A, B and C for the subjects Hindi, English, Maths and EVS, we provide a host of teaching resources, and one such teaching resource is educational games which we provide completely free of cost for all the subjects Hindi, English, Mathematics and EVS. Let's take a look at Hindi game Varnmala Ka Pitala. Just see this. There is a card inside, playing board inside. There are cards inside. These are one cards containing Swar and Vyanjan. These are picture cards. There's a dice inside, motivational sticker and instruction card. Students are going to identify these one with their pictures. They are going to match them. Then here, for playing this, they are going to throw a dice. And wherever the dice will go, that picture has to be searched by students from this set of cards. Moving on to next game, Magic of Alphabets. This is English game. We have again flashcards of all the alphabets. We have cards of the pictures. One way of playing it is that students have to match these two. From letters, they have to match letters with pictures. Then we have playing board here. Alphabet board. One more playing board we have. Alphabet picture board. We have instruction card inside. We have motivational stickers. For playing this game, dice will be used. Wherever it will go, student has to, like it is on M. So picture of M will be searched from this set of cards. For playing this, dice will be thrown like it is on fan. So F letter will be searched from this set of cards. That way we are going to play this game. Mathematics game, we have My First Numbers. Here is a set of pictures. This is an instruction card. This is a spinning wheel. Here we have numbers from 1 to 20. We have number names. We have motivational stickers. Now, how to play this? Suppose they have picked up any one number, 17. They are going to pick up the number names from this 17. And from this set of cards, they are going to find out pictures. This is one way. This is a spinning wheel. You can tell your students to spin a wheel. Spin this wheel. Wherever it goes, wherever it stops, that number can be picked up. Number name can be picked up and picture can be picked up. Next is EVS, Visit to the Jungle. Amazing game. This is a puzzle sort of game. First of all, you can give your children this puzzle. You can tell them to join an animal with its baby this way. Then using these cards, these are the naming cards. So bear. Now we have given the instructions at the back also of the instruction card, both in front and back. It's written animals, food and home. So for bear eats honey. So honey card I have taken out. And bear stays in jungle. So jungle card also I have taken. So this way we are going to make it. Then motivational stickers also we have provided. This is just fun. Thank you so much.